welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Candy Rain channel. So guys, today is another day that we thank God for. Oops, bums. So it's on a Easter, and being an Easter, it's also my birthday day. Yeah, you guys, you're not ready for my looks, you're not ready for what I'm shooting for you, what I'm coming to show you. You're not ready for everything because nimepanga kuwaletea vitu kali. Also, this is the outfit for my birthday. That's the outfit for my birthday. The necklace, that's my hair. I love it. You can style in so many ways. I love it. And then the earrings are so nice. So guys, wearing like this, I want you to guess where we are going and what we are going to do for my birthday. So keep tuned and make sure you subscribe so that you can get to know what is this video shoot for. Okay, so guys, yeah, I know some of you have already started guessing where we are going. Najua wengine wenu washaanza kunusia kujua tunaenda wapi. By the environment, if you've ever traveled on this road, you know where we are heading to. Yeah, it's happening guys. Have you subscribed? It's happening. Finally, we are going to Naivasha. We're going to Naivasha for a vacation. Oh guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. It's on a Easter. It's my birthday, and we are going for a vacation in Naivasha. I can't wait to show you into details of all the experiences that I'm going to have in Naivasha. So guys, let's end to Naivasha with you. Fingers closed. Mpaka tuone tunaenda kwa hoteli gani, what you're going to do there, what is ready for us, what is prepared for us, and what will be our experience. Okay, so guys, keep tuned as we travel. So after the long journey, we decided to break our point here. This is a viewpoint that is so common on your way to Naivasha, on your way to Nakuru Nairobi highway. This is a very common viewpoint. So we decided to just pause here, take some photos, just look at the view, just enjoy ourselves there for some few seconds as we relax our minds, relax ourselves. Then we continue with the journey. It was so amazing. And yeah, guys, you can see I bought from my cousin that thing over there, the one that you can see is holding on his hands. And then I decided to just shoot these things that they sell over here. I don't know the pricing, but yeah, you said let me just show you the view, how it is nice. Look at that view, so amazing. The green is greening, yeah, and everything looks so cute in this world, right? So guys, let's enjoy this birthday with me. If you've never experienced these views, experience with me. Yeah, if you've never gone to this way, let's go together and have fun, right? So guys, let's prepare and to Naivasha before it gets rainy. You know, it's a rainy season, so we might get rain on our way, but we don't want that. So let's get ready and go so that tusinyeshewe. So guys, tuendelee kuwatch. fingers crossed. Till we are almost to our destination in a count of 1, 2, 3. Tada! Guys, imagine tumefika kwenye tuko tunaenda. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I can't wait to experience this good feeling. Oh guys, you can see tushafika. That's the hotel name, that's the hotel gate, that's the everything about the hotel. From the outside inakaa tu amazing, inakaa tu kukuita tu, inakwambia tu kujujipambe, kuju enjoy. Okay guys. So guys, keep tuned, tufunguliwe gate, tuingie nionyeshe around, and then because this video seems to be so long, I'll post a part 2 which will be a house tour of the place that we'll be sleeping for the next days that you'll be here. Okay, so make sure you subscribe ndo hii video ingine isikupite. The hotel is called Panorama Park Hotel, a very amazing, beautiful hotel. I love this. Ooh, thank you God. So tumefika, so let's enter the reception. After there tulipata watu wakatusaidia mabags, tukaenda kwa reception. We are at the reception right now, waiting to be kufanya hizo mambo zao za reception, ndo mchukuliwe mpeleke kwa room, mwisho ni room gani, mpewe mtu mwenye anawapeleka. Yeah, mregistariwe here and there. Yeah, so we are at the reception itself inakaa very amazing. That's my bag over there. The reception looks so amazing, so cute. And let's chill, tumalize reception, tunde kwa room. I might not take a video right now for the room, but keep tuned. Make sure you subscribe so that you can get an update of the room tour, because I'm going to update it right now. Okay, so guys, keep tuned and let's do this. We are from beach on the room. I'm waiting for the lift tuingie ndani tuende tukakule lunch, alafu nikuje niwashutie video ya room. This place is so cute. Open. Open. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So cute, guys. Let me open. So bad girl.
Ground you only first.
Ground you. Oh God. imagine guys, after we finished eating it started raining. You can see it started raining heavily, and we couldn't do anything but just chill and wait for the rain to finish or to end, and then we go to the room and relax there, wait for the next day, because